and I'm pretty sure that's a nail. What up world, it's BK here, and today we're inside ZZ, our Z31. This is a 1995 model. And although the car is really beat up, I didn't pay a lot for it. It was $1,500. And I know I probably could have found one in a lot better condition for just a little bit more, but the turbo models are really hard to find now. I wanted something that was beat up like this. It reminds me a lot of myself, and I want to spend some time and bring it back to life. I would say the most character defining part about this car is the giant hole right here. You know? Gives it character, makes it feel unique and special. I mean, it's not that bad. We got a lot of rusty right here, though. It's a 94. That's 1 year older than the car. I wonder if it's been in here the whole time, like since the car was new. Well, this is basically everything we've taken out. Here's what we're working with here. Looks like this is the worst of the rust that we can see right now. This one doesn't look as bad. So to get out the carpet, we need to take out the center console. And there's some bolts in here, and there's some bolts here, and some bolts there. My favorite car is a FC. I used to be pretty like big rotor head. My first car was a NA GTU. I hadn't really been able to work on cars in a long time, but I don't know. There's something about the Z31. It looks a lot like the FC, but not as loved, which makes me like it more. Besides, by the time we're done, this isn't gonna be a Z31. It's gonna be ZZ. Well, not exactly how I wanted to do it, but dinner! Yummy, yummy. 1880s stamps. If anybody knows about this, please hit me up. Photo finishing receipt. Wicker 4:30 Friday. Photo quick. Definitely some interesting finds. If you have any information on this, please let me know. I have no idea why you would have information on it, but you know, you never know. The power of the internet. I appreciate you hanging out with ZZ and I. Please consider subscribing so you can find out what happens next time on The Legend of ZZ.